Did you know that asking one simple question can completely change your day? Like, literally.
Wait, one question? Just one?
Yeah, just one. But here's the crazy part. Most people do it wrong.
What? How do you ask a question wrong? It's just talking.
Well, welcome to English Pot Center. I'm Runa.
And I'm Lucas, and I am very confused right now.
Okay, think about this, Lucas. How do you ask someone if they want coffee?
Easy. I say, you want coffee?
Right, and people understand that. But in English, it's missing a magic word.
A magic word? Like, please? Please, you want coffee?
No, not please. The word is do.
Do? Like D-O?
Yes, D-O. You see, asking a question in English is like opening a door.
Okay, a door. I like doors.
Right, and do is the key to that door. If you don't use the key, you just push the wall.
Push the wall. That sounds, that hurts.
Exactly. So you shouldn't say, you want coffee. You need the key first.
Oh, do you want coffee?
Yes, perfect. You unlocked the door.
Okay, wait. I don't get it. Why do we need do? It means nothing.
That is the big problem for beginners. They think, do must mean an action, like I do my homework.
Yeah, because do is work. Why is it in my coffee?
It's not in your coffee, Lucas. It's a helper word.
A helper word. Okay.
Yeah, it just stands there and says, hey everyone, a question is coming.
Like a guy with a flag. Hey, question here.
Literally, yes, it is a guy with a flag.
Oh, wow. Okay, I like that. The flag guy.
So as I say, you like dogs, that is just a normal sentence.
A fact. I do like dogs. Dogs are great.
But if I put the flag guy at the front,
Do you like dogs?
boom, it is a question.
Wow, that is actually really easy.
Right? But people forget the flag guy all the time.
I forget him. I just say, you happy?
Ah, wait, stop right there.
What? Did I break the door?
Yes, you broke the door, because happy is different.
Different. Why? It's just a word.
Okay, here is the secret. Do only helps action words, verbs.
Action words like jump, run, sleep, drink coffee?
Yes, run, sleep, drink, want. All actions.
Okay, but happy is not an action.
No, you can't happy. Happy is a feeling, a description.
Oh, now I get it. I can't say, do you happy?
Exactly. The flag guy, do, he only works with actions.
So wait, what flag guy do I use for happy?
You use the to be family. Am, is, are.
Oh boy, a new family. Are they nice?
They are very nice. For you, the word is are.
So, are you happy?
Yes, you did it.
Look at me. I am a question master.
You are. Let's play a game to practice. Ready?
A game? Okay, I am ready, I think.
I will say a word. You make it a question with you.
Okay, I use do for actions and are for feelings or descriptions.
Perfect. Here is the first word. Tired.
Tired. Is tired an action? No. So, are you tired?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, eat pizza. Eat pizza. Eat is an action. So do you eat pizza?
Perfect. Yes, everyone likes pizza.
I love pizza. Okay, faster.
Ready? Sad.
Sad is a feeling. Are you sad?
Run fast.
Do you run fast?
A doctor.
Wait, a doctor? Do you doctor? No, that sounds so bad.
Yes, very bad. A doctor is not an action.
It is a job, a person.
Right. So we use are, like a description.
Oh, are you a doctor?
Yes. Good job, Lucas.
Phew, that was a trick. You tricked me, Luna.
Only a little. Okay, now for the big questions.
Big questions? Oh no.
It is easy. We call them the W words.
W words, like water?
No, not water. Words like what, where, and who.
Oh, I know those.
Good. We put them at the very start of the question.
At the start? Before do or are?
Yes, exactly.
So instead of do you eat pizza?
Like, you want to know the food, the thing. What word do you use?
What? What do you eat?
Yes, look at you.
What do you eat? Oh, that is so cool.
It is like pointing a finger. What is for a thing?
What is for a thing? Okay, got it.
And where is for a place, like a house or a park.
Where is a place? So, where do you eat?
You are so good at this. Yes.
Wow, this is so easy. I just put the W word first.
Yep. W word, then do or are, then the person.
Wait, what about who?
Who is for a person, like a friend?
So, who do you eat? Wait, no, that is very bad.
Oh my, please do not eat people, Lucas.
I mean, who do you eat with?
Yes, much better. Who do you eat with? Or who are you?
Oh, right. Who are you? Very simple.
You see, asking questions is just building blocks, like toy blocks.
Toy blocks. I love that. You just stack them up.
Exactly. W word, then do or are, then the rest.
I feel like a very smart student now.
You are a smart student.
English is not so scary now.
It really isn't. You just need practice.
Yeah, practice. I will practice all day.
So here is a challenge for everyone listening.
Ooh, a challenge. Tell us, Luna.
Write one question in the comments. Use what or where.
Yes, make it a fun question. We want to read them.
And if this helped you, don't forget to follow English Pod Center.
Subscribe to English Pod Center. Bye, everyone. Keep asking questions.